friends, in this lecture we will discuss about how to apply meaning on image. So first we need to image, but first we click on Run Add In. The shortcut key is Alt+C. So click this one. Select RAST2VEC.DLL. Click this option. Open. So now I will select my one drawing. Open. Now this is your black and white setup. This is the white setup and you will see this one. So this is the black setup. Now OK. I will create two outline, two more options, manually trace bitmap image and create center line. But we will select the create outline. Now the optimize for line, corner and arcs. The accuracy is fine. Okay. So now click on smooth more if you want to smooth and set this ratio maximum. Okay. So now you will see our drawing is smooth. So now exit this yes. So you will see the same print are here. Now we will create the boundary. So wireframe, rectangular, first click and second click. I will give the dimension 130 by 130 and OK. So now this is our boundary. So change the isometric view, Alt+7, solid and extrude, select, enter, reverse direction, give your value 10 and OK. So you will see. Now we will apply operation on this. So first we select to machine, mill, default. Now click on plus, stock setup. Now the all solid. OK. So our stock is ready. Now you will apply contour operation. So select this one. Now we will select by window option and area option also. But now we select the window. So window selection, select your start point and OK. Now select your tool. So select library tool, select first tool, OK. Set your diameter 1 and the corner radius is 0. The holder selection B2C30016. No changes, no changes. Lead in out also, breakthrough, multipasses and tabs. In linking parameter you will set your depth value. Like I will set the -1. OK. So the operation are ready. Now we will check in verify selected operation. So click on verify selected operation. See. Now play the operation. So our object is ready. So close this. So this is the apply milling on image or drawing. After operation the plate is look like this one. See. So the operation are clear. In next lecture we will discuss same topic, same operation on different image. Thank you.